Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel 99 Trades. In this video, we'll do complete analysis of both the indices Nifty and Bank Nifty. We'll try to see the important levels for the coming week as well as for the next trading session, that is for the Monday's trading session. Now let's start our analysis with Nifty. Before starting analysis of Nifty, let's see exactly what happened in the last week. What is our view and what exactly happened? This is our view last week, that if index breaks this 19,300, it will come downside. Even if index tests this level, this trend line, downtrend line, from here also we'll short Nifty. This is our view last week. Now let's see what exactly happened by playing this replay button. See, from here index exactly tested this level and this downside trend line, and from here it has given a fall, but still it has not given a breakdown of this 19,300. So the same view continues for this week also. This is the analysis of this week. Here I am using Nifty daily chart. As you can see, this is the downtrend line which is holding Nifty's downtrend for the past few days. What was the Nifty's previous trend? It was upside, that is like this: higher highs, higher lows, and higher high, again higher low, again higher high. Here Nifty has stopped making higher highs. From here the trend is shifted to lower lows, lower highs, lower low, again this is a lower low, lower high, and again it is trying to break this lower low, but we need the confirmation. When will we get the confirmation? Only below this 19,300. Below this 19,300 we can valid. Below this 19,300 we can say that this is the continuation of this new downtrend. And what is the reversal of the trend? What is the level for reversal of the trend? This is the level, which is near 19,645. So trend reversal level is 19,645 and trend continuation level is 19,300. So below 19,300 we will short Nifty, and above 19,650 only we will plan a long. Now let's see the important levels, that is targets for the next week. Below this 19,300, if Nifty sustains below this 19,300, then our first target will be 19,080 here for the next week, and our second target will be 18,880. This is the second target on downside for the next coming week. And what are the upside levels? Upside levels are only above 19,650 only. We will long Nifty for the targets of, the first target will be 19,780 and the second target will be 19,980 on the upside, that is from here. In between this area, we can say that it is a sideways area. Previously also you can see it here, this complete area, that is from 19,300 to 19,600 has acted as a sideways, that is has acted as a range market. So what is the daily view for this week, for the coming week? It will be sideways to bearish. High probability trade is on the downside. That is, if index breaks this level, then this is the high probability trade, because this is with the trend, with the daily trend. Now let's see the intraday levels for the Monday's trading session. For that, we'll shift the time frame to 15 minutes. This is the 15 minutes chart of Nifty. So the intraday levels for Nifty for the Monday's trading session will be this swing low, which was created on Friday's trading session. That is, below 19,400, we will short Nifty for the targets of 19,350 will be the first target and 19,300 will be the second target. These are the intraday targets for Nifty for the Monday's trading session. And our long position will be only above this level, which is near 19,500. Above 19,500, we can long Nifty for the targets of 540 is the first target, and the second target will be 19,580. So high probability trade will be on the downside only in intraday, Monday's intraday also. These are the levels for Nifty for the coming week. Now let's see the analysis of Bank Nifty. Here I am using Bank Nifty's daily chart. Here you can see a pattern which is something like head and shoulders pattern. So this is the head and shoulders pattern almost, and this is the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern. Now on the Friday's trading session, we have seen a breakdown of this neckline, and also index has given a close below this neckline, which is near 44,600. So what we can expect this week? Generally in this pattern, if it gives a breakdown of this neckline, then we can see a target of this level, which is the end of this head and shoulders pattern, which is near 43,345. In Bank Nifty also, the previous trend is upside like this. Now the trend is shifted to downside. Now it is sell on rise. This is the impulsive move. This is the correction. Again, we are seeing a impulsive move, and also on Friday's trading session, Bank Nifty has given a breakdown of this previous swing low, which is near 44,200. So what are the levels for Bank Nifty for the coming week? This is the continuation of trend level for Bank Nifty, which is near 44,100, and this is the reversal level. That is this is the trend reversal level for Bank Nifty, which is 45,120. This is the range sideways market levels. That is, in between these two levels, we can see a sideways market. That is, this is a 1000 points range from 44,100 to 45,100, which is almost 1000 points. In between this range, we may see a sideways market. If market gives a breakout of this level, which is above 45,000, then we'll plan a long. And if market gives a breakdown of this 44,100 and downside, then we'll plan a short. Now let's see the important levels for the coming week. Below 44,100, then our first target will be 43,780 on the downside. This will be the first target, and the second target will be 43,345. These are the downside targets for Bank Nifty if Bank Nifty sustains below 44,100. And if Bank Nifty sustains above 45,120, then our upside targets will be 45,500 will be the first target, and the second target will be 45,980 on the upside. These are the important levels for Bank Nifty for the coming week. Now let's see the intraday levels for Monday for Bank Nifty. For that, we'll shift the time frame to 15 minutes, and below this level, our intraday levels for Monday are below 44,120. We'll short Bank Nifty for the first target, which is near 44,000, because it is a psychological support, and the second target will be 43,780. These are the downside levels for Bank Nifty for the Monday's trading session, and we will long Bank Nifty only above this level, which is near 44,200. For the targets of first target will be 44,600, and the second target will be 44,880. These are the levels for Monday's trading session. For daily free live updates, join our Telegram channel using the link in the description. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Keep your capital safe. Thanks and Jai Hind.